Welcome back to another problem, guys. So this is a problem whereby we'll be simplifying the expression, as you can see below there, guys, whereby we have 1 minus tan squared x divided by 1 plus tan squared x. You can pause this video and simplify, then you can continue to check whether your answer is the same as mine. Right, so before we start simplifying, when you see the ratios, when you see the ratio like tan, sec and cosec, try to change those ratios to sine and cos. It's easier to simplify when the ratios in your expressions are like that. So let's start. So the first thing that I will do, I will rewrite this. I prefer to rewrite it like this. I prefer to rewrite it like this: 1 minus tan squared x, and then instead of that line, instead of this line here, I would say divide. Alright, and then 1 plus tan x squared x. Alright, so from here now, I have to change the trigonometric ratios. I can use the quotient identity for tan. We know that tan is the same as sine squared x divided by cos squared x. Right, you can do the very same thing this side as well. By the way, this is available on one of the videos whereby I explain the reciprocals and also the quotient identities. So we have to change this one as well. We can say 1 sine squared x divided by cos squared x. Guys, now I'll leave the video on the icon whereby I explain or I show you guys these reciprocals and the quotient identities, so you can check it on the icon there. Now here, let's look at the first one here. You need to find the common denominator. So a common denominator here, it will be cos squared x. The reason why cos squared, because this one is 1, so we don't really want 1. Don't even put 1 here. So let's start with the first term here on our bracket. If you say cos squared divided by 1, it's gonna give us cos squared x multiplied by 1. So we're gonna have cos squared x. Alright, minus get the x. Let's not forget the x. Just fix it very quickly. Alright, minus. If we divide cos squared x with the cos squared x, what are we going to get? Obviously, we're going to get 1. And then 1 multiplied by sine squared x, we're going to have sine squared x. So this is what we have on this bracket, which is very, very simple. Now we divide. We do the very same thing this side to look for the common denominator. Now our common denominator here is going to be cos squared x. So we do the very same thing. 1 into cos squared x is going to give us cos squared x multiplied by 1. This is going to be cos. This is going to be cos squared x. Because we have plus here, we're gonna plus here, plus. And then we say cos squared x into cos squared x. It's 1 multiplied by sine. This is gonna give us sine squared x. Yes, multiplied by the sine squared x here on the numerator. Alright, so this is how you're supposed to get to this point. Guys, I repeat, when you come across such, try to change everything to cos and sine. Okay, let's look at our first bracket then. Now, we know that our denominator is going to be cos squared x, but our numerator, this is an identity, guys. This is an identity. It's a double identity. This is for cos. So this is a cos 2x. Again, if you don't understand where this double identity is coming from, there is a video. I'm going to post it on the icon, whereby I show you how to derive this identity up there. Alright, so this is going to be like that. When you have cos squared x plus sine squared minus sine squared x, is going to give you cos 2x. So over cos squared x, divide by. Alright, so we have cos squared x. So we know that cos squared x plus sine squared x, this is also an identity. This is a square identity. So this is going to give us 1. There we go. Then from there we just continue. We write cos 2x divided by cos squared x. And then here now we change the division sign to multiplication. When that happens, on the other side, this cos squared go to the numerator, and there is this one go to the denominator. Now as you can see, we have cos squared x here and cos squared x here. They divide and give you 1 and multiply everything. So what you're going to be left with here, you're going to be left with cos 2x. And that, my friends, is how you do this problem. Right, guys, if you are given this problem like this, do not forget to change your tan to sine over cos. Alright, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask the question on the comment section. If you have any other way that is simpler than this, you can also comment on the comment section. And also you can share this video to your friends who are doing the same subject as you. And then at the end of this video, there is a playlist whereby you can watch the videos in sequence as I'm solving for x and simplifying right now. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, do not forget to subscribe. Cheers.